Hi, my name is Samuel Albert and I'm here today to make you a new video with rum monge. Let's start. I'm peeling the prawns, but I will leave the head on. Now I'm just gonna make a small incision just here, but I will still keep the head on. Let's continue with the pineapple. Let's put everything in the banana leaf. Let's put the most important ingredient, the rum monge. Let's bake it in the oven 5 minutes at 200 degrees. Wow! You can see the beautiful prawn steamed with the rum, it's amazing. I close my eyes, I am in Barbados. So good.